Increasing addiction of TV, mobile, and cartoons, hyperactivity issues, poor focus and concentration. These are three major problems that parents are facing today with their kids. Kids have extra energy, but most parents don't have time and planning to channelize their energy. That is why kids are becoming hyperactive. Understand that your kids need excitement and motivation. Kids are curious. They want to do something silly, something stupid, something new and interesting all the time. Research proves that kids learn most when they participate in competitions. Our online competition platform, Intellithon, engages your kids in 30 different and creative competitions every month. It includes drawing, dialogue writing, acting, comedy, cooking, math, music, singing, history, geography, GK, and many such categories that are not only interesting but highly creative. The best part is, your kids can participate in all these competitions from the comfort of your home. Yes, it's very easy. Just download Intellithon app from Google Play Store and register your kids. You get a competition dashboard. There are 3 different age groups on the dashboard. On your dashboard, you have all the competition categories listed. Every month, one topic is given under each category. For example, in comedy, you may get the topic Act Like a English Speaking Cow, and in cooking, it could be fresh sandwich making. In math, it could be count 100 to 1 in reverse order, that too within 60 seconds. Similarly, in dialogue writing, you may have to write a dialogue between a spoon and a plate. You can give these topics to your kids to perform. You have to upload the image or a video of your child's performance in case if you want to participate in any category. And that's it. Every entry submitted by you gets reward points and becomes eligible for prize winning. Not only this is fun, but it also develops basic learning skills of kids. For example, it improves reading, writing, speaking, communication skills, self-confidence, IQ, focus and concentration in kids. It reduces their screen time as well, as all the activities are to be performed offline. It reduces hyperactivity as it also helps kids in expressing themselves. Intellithon platform is globally appreciated. It's a highly affordable and effective platform to show and build the real talent of your kids. It is the only learning platform in India that has 100% satisfaction rate.